Imagine being able to produce your own aligners, surgical guides, dentures, splints, and more right in your own office. Imagine the level of service and value you can provide for your patients when you control the timing and cost of so much of these procedures. 3D printing makes this possible, and it's never been easier than with SprintRay Pro. Your practice will love the incredible capacity that SprintRay's custom DLP projector, resin tank, and platform provide. Your large, complex cases will finish quickly, so you won't shift focus away from your patients. Converting scans to printable files will no longer be a hassle. SprintRay's new software automates this tedious task with virtually no effort from the user. The 7-inch touchscreen makes it simple to select and monitor all printing parameters, start print jobs, and get onboard help. Use Wi-Fi or the front panel USB to load new prints. With the SprintRay Pro, 3D printing will become the easiest task in your office. Best of all, the 6-core CPU is powerful enough to handle these tasks today and whatever comes tomorrow. Bring your practice forward and be a part of the next 100 years of dentistry with the SprintRay Pro.